Hey friends, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick, easy DIY that cost me nothing. So if you want to know how I created this really pretty planter, it's so gorgeous and chic, then stay tuned. So this was just a regular popcorn tin, and instead of throwing away, crafters, we like to save everything. So I took my husband's spackling and I'm gonna go ahead and just cover this up simply, not adding any sand, not adding any gravel, but just simply just going over it with my spackling tool, and from top to bottom, that's it, guys. Now I'm gonna let this go ahead and dry. It's color coded, so you'll know it's completely dried when it's white. Now it's the next day and I'm going to go in, instead of using paint, I love using a nice light stain that looks aged, and you can do this trick by using either your coffee or your tea. If you're going to use your tea, do a light brew based on how you want it to be coloring. With the coloring with coffee, you can just water it down a little bit, and that's it, guys. It's going to look a little pink because this is color coded spackle, but once it dries, you'll see it'll give it the coloring I want. Now, don't worry about the drips. We're going to go back and paint that. I'm going to be using white because it's the color I'm going with for it to be like a more of a primitive stone planter. So I'm simply going to go over it with a white brush, just this regular white paint. Nothing special about it. Just make sure that you do not go back and fill in all of those nooks and crannies. Once this dries down, that's what's going to create that beautiful chic planter that you see in all the stores that costs so much money that you can make for no money or hardly any money at all with items in your home. And this is how it looks once I painted half of it. I'm going to continue that all the way to the bottom. Now guys, it's completely dry, and do you see how amazing this looks? And this is with items that were in my home that were slated for the trash can, and I actually went ahead and did a DIY with it. And there's so many great things that you can do with DIYs. I just hope you guys really get some inspiration from this, and to really make this look more high-end and like I bought it from a decor store, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some craft paper and put some moss on top to really give it a nice finished look. And I'm styling this in a corner that was sort of empty and barren. I have a beautiful storage bench over there with this gorgeous patina of wood, and it's dovetailed with this rustic hardware from Pure One. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it will work so well with this. Now that it's done, it's really creating a nice bright corner. It's more movement there with this beautiful chic touch that just really warms up the ambiance of my home and brings the outdoors in and so forth. And guys, all I did was add on some textured pillows, and you can style it or you can leave it the way it is. It's up to you, but it's just a really great idea for your home. And I did go ahead and add in a few more items. I added in this vase from Crate and Barrel, and it really looks well and matches and pairs well with the one that I made, the planter. And I just added in a little lantern, sort of the same color, so it's tone on tone. I love doing warm shades of the same color in different tones because it really warms up your space. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.